In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Teams to ChatGPT. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the ChatGPT account where you want the connection to live and that you have a stable internet connection. This process is quick and happens entirely inside your ChatGPT settings. Start by looking to the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT window. You'll see your profile icon there. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, click Settings. This opens the place where you manage your account preferences and, most importantly for today, your integrations. Inside Settings, find and select the Apps section. Think of this area as the hub for connecting ChatGPT with other services you use every day. It's where you can browse available integrations, add new ones, and manage what's already connected. Next, click either Explore Apps or Add More. Depending on your version or layout, you might see one label or the other. They both take you to the same place, the app directory. Once the directory opens, look for the search field at the top. Click into that search bar and type Microsoft Teams. The Microsoft Teams app should appear in the results. This is the official integration that lets ChatGPT connect with your Teams environment so you can streamline your workflows. When you see Microsoft Teams in the results, click Connect. This button starts the linking process. In many cases, ChatGPT will show you a brief summary of what the integration does and the permissions it needs. If you're prompted with any instructions, just follow them on screen. You may be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account, choose the correct organization or tenant, and grant permission for ChatGPT to access Microsoft Teams on your behalf. Keep an eye out for a new browser tab or a small pop-up. If a window doesn't appear, your browser might be blocking it, so allow that pop-up to continue. If your organization manages permissions centrally, you might see a note that an admin approval is required. That's normal in some workplaces and simply means the request will follow your company's standard approval flow. If you don't encounter any prompts, the connection may complete immediately. Once you've confirmed or granted the necessary permissions, the app will finish connecting and you're done. From here, ChatGPT and Microsoft Teams are linked, and you can take advantage of the integration within your allowed features. That's all it takes. Click your profile, go to Settings, open Apps, Explore or Add More, search for Microsoft Teams, hit Connect, and complete any on-screen steps. You're all set.